Have you ever wondered about the diverse parishes of Jamaica? Each one, unique and captivating, contributes to the island's rich tapestry of culture and heritage. Let's embark on a journey through these parishes, starting with Kingston, the capital and largest city. Vibrant and bustling, Kingston is a cultural and economic hub, boasting historical sites, museums, and lively markets. Adjacent to Kingston lies St. Andrew, renowned for its residential communities and upscale neighborhoods. It's here that the famous Blue Mountains stretch towards the sky, their peaks shrouded in mist. Traveling to the southeastern end of the island, St. Thomas reveals itself. This parish is a paradise of beautiful beaches, including the popular Reggae Beach, where the rhythm of the waves matches that of the music. Next, we find Portland, a verdant oasis known for its natural beauty. From the breathtaking Blue Lagoon to the cascading Reach Falls, Portland is a haven for ecotourism. St. Mary, with its vast banana plantations, offers picturesque landscapes and attractions such as Firefly, the former home of renowned playwright Noël Coward. Home to Jamaica's oldest city, Spanish Town, St. Catherine is a parish rich in historical sites and landmarks. It serves as an important industrial and agricultural area. Clarendon, a blend of agriculture and industry, is known for the Milk River Bath, one of the world's most radioactive mineral baths. Venture into Manchester, a cool and hilly parish, and you'll find an agricultural region with a pleasant climate. The historic town of Mandeville stands as a testament to its rich history. St. Elizabeth, often referred to as the breadbasket of Jamaica, is an agricultural powerhouse. It also boasts the famous YS Falls and Lover's Leap. Westmoreland, famous for its stunning beaches, is home to Negril, a popular tourist destination known for its white sand beaches and vibrant nightlife. Hanover, a small parish with a laid-back atmosphere, is known for its historic sites like the Trial Estate and the Lucia Fort. St. James, home to the tourist capital of Montego Bay, features beautiful beaches, resorts, and a vibrant nightlife. It's a major hub for tourism and business. Trelawney, known for its rich history and vibrant culture, is home to the historic town of Falmouth and the famous Martha Brae River. Lastly, St. Anne, a popular tourist destination, is home to Ocho Rios and attractions like Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, and the birthplace of Bob Marley. In conclusion, each parish in Jamaica presents its own unique character and attractions. From the vibrant city life of Kingston to the tranquil beaches of Westmoreland, from the lush greenery of Portland to the historic sites of St. Catherine, Jamaica is a mosaic of diverse experiences and breathtaking sights. A journey through these parishes is a journey through the heart of Jamaica, revealing the island's captivating diversity and rich heritage.